Today we have an easy one. It's a gas stove with a loose knob, so when you turn the knob, it doesn't turn on the gas. And it's pretty easy to repair. We're just going to pull the knob off, and we're going to be using a zip tie to fix the cracked part of the stem. So we put it in there, try to engage the metal stem of the valve, the male part of it, with the female part of the knob, but it doesn't turn it. So we're going to use a zip tie here. We're going to close it part way and then wrap it around the end of the plastic here. And we're going to get it really tight. We're going to pull as tight as we can with our hand. And then I'm going to also use a pair of pliers to pull even a little tighter. Super tight. And then I'll use my diagonal pliers to cut off the extra part. And I'm going to just wiggle that in back over the metal stem. Kind of has a D shape to the metal stem, and I need to have the D shape of the knob go over that D shape of the stem. I have to line it up and then wiggle it on. So now I'll go ahead and test it out. I'll turn each one, get the clicking going, get the flame. And this is a really easy way to correct these rather than having to buy a new knob. Just using a zip tie. It ends up closing in really tight on the plastic, and then that grabs tight onto the metal stem, and that fixes the problem. We have a nice ignition there, nice blue flame. Here's the one we fixed, comes right on. So that's great, easy to do, should just take you a couple of minutes.